It's May 2024 and Drake and Kendrick Lamar are trading shots with diss tracks. I'm gonna choose a side here. Let's make a diss track for Kendrick Lamar. Let me turn on the scale highlights for the F minor melodic key scale, a great key scale for making dark melodies. Beats per minute is a 145. Sound selection is important for any melody. I went in an analog lab and I found a piano preset that sounded relatively dark. We'll lay down some root notes that sound inherently dark. Copying those root notes down to the third octave is good for adding depth to the melody. There are many different ways to make dark melodies. In this beat I wanted something like triplets, something you'd hear in a Lil Durk or Lil Baby type beat. To achieve that sound, we'll use these same chords, but we're going to chop them up into a pattern. It's going to be repetitive and it's going to be catchy. I found that catchy melody I wanted. Now I'll copy and paste over those first two bars. Let's give this melody some emotion by adding a top line to it. I can hear the bounce in this melody already. It sounded really nice. There's that catchy melody I wanted. I'll copy that first 4 bars over into the next 4 bars, making this an 8-bar loop. I'll make some small adjustments to the top line just to add some variety to this melody. Make sure you listen for that later in the video. The instrument I added after this melody is pretty typical for these dark, hard beats. I'll let it speak for itself. If you couldn't tell, I recycled some notes from my main chord progression and laid down some dyad chords. I use strings for that, which are always good for adding tension to a melody. We'll pull up expand and create a counter melody. Here's how that full melody sounds together. Let's add some bounce with some drums. We move fast through those drums. I just wanted to deliver the bounce to you guys. I think someone like Kendrick Lamar, maybe Lil Durk, maybe even Lil Baby would lay down some solid bars on this beat. Whether Kendrick wanted to accuse Drake of being a pedophile or whatever. Do me a huge favor, if you're not subscribed already, hit that subscribe button, drop a like on the video. If you have any questions, leave a comment, I'll give you an answer. Now let's hear this final product.